The U.S. Air Force is embracing electric aircraft that could change military aviation forever. Today, we'll look at how these new electric planes are transforming military operations. What benefits do they offer for the future of the Air Force? Let's jump in and find out. In August 2024, Archer Aviation delivered its very first Midnight electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft to the U.S. Air Force, showing a big leap in how the military is using new technology in aviation. The Midnight's journey to the Air Force followed a thorough safety and performance review by AFW-ERX, a Pentagon team focused on cutting-edge military technology. Once it arrived in Salinas, California, the Air Force put the Midnight through tests in key areas: intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, medical evacuations, and cargo transport exercises. This collaboration is all part of a $142 million contract with Archer under the Agility Prime program, which is exploring how electric air vehicles can change up U.S. military missions. Switching to electric aircraft isn't just about cool new tech, it's also about making things more efficient and better for the environment. The U.S. Air Force is looking into using electric planes through the Agility Prime program to boost their capabilities while also being kinder to the planet. The Midnight uses very little fuel, which helps the military work towards being more eco-friendly. Electricity is expected to be cheaper and more consistent in price compared to jet fuel, which can really vary. Plus, electric planes have fewer parts, which makes them easier and cheaper to maintain. This all fits into the Air Force's plan to update their fleet and make things run more smoothly. Electric aircraft offer a major advantage for military missions where stealth matters. Traditional engines can be loud and easy to detect, but electric motors cut noise significantly, helping aircraft stay under the radar. For ISR or intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance missions, the Midnight's quiet operation brings a valuable layer of stealth, ideal for sensitive operations. This reduced noise could make electric aircraft like the Midnight essential for missions where keeping a low profile is critical. The Air Force isn't just experimenting with one type of electric aircraft. Archer's Midnight eVTOL, for instance, can fly up to 100 miles at speeds of up to 150 miles per hour while carrying 4 passengers and up to 1,000 pounds of cargo. It's powered by 12 electric motors with independent battery packs, running a versatile set of propellers, 2 blades for vertical takeoff and 5 for forward flight. Beta Technologies brings another option with its electric fixed-wing aircraft, which can go up to 250 miles on one charge, ideal for medical transport or supply missions. Beta's aircraft also allow the option to remove vertical propellers, making certification with the FAA potentially easier. While traditional aircraft have the edge on range and speed, electric planes offer advantages in flexibility and cost for shorter missions. Electric aircraft, like those being tested, don't need jet fuel, which cuts down on logistics and costs. They also recharge quickly, allowing back-to-back flights without the extensive maintenance that fuel-powered aircraft need. They can operate in areas without runways, making them perfect for missions in cities or rougher terrain where traditional planes just can't land. This flexibility makes electric aircraft ideal for shorter ISR and transport missions that need speed and adaptability. The Air Force's move to electric aviation has sparked collaborations with companies like Archer, Beta Technologies, and Joby Aviation. Archer's partnership under the Agility Prime contract is just the start. Both Joby and Beta Technologies have also delivered electric aircraft for testing, showing the Air Force's interest in civilian tech for defense purposes. With Archer expanding globally through partnerships like Future Flight Global, military and civilian electric aviation are becoming more intertwined, setting the stage for exciting developments in both fields. What do you think? Are electric aircraft the future of military aviation? Share your thoughts in the comments below.